welcome back to my channel Hanguk Dream, and thank you so much if you're watching this video. This is your girl Jasmine here again, and today I'm not here with any reaction video or review video on K-pop or K-dramas, but this is a vlog because recently I've been to a state of India which is which was on my list where I wanted to go since so long, and finally when I've been there I made few videos and I wanted to share it with you. So I'm making this vlog and I'm sharing it with you guys. So the place, actually the state of India, is Goa. It's all about beaches and very summery vibes. So I have been there with my cousins recently. So it's just a normal vlog, not a very professional one, but I wanted to share whichever places I've been to in Goa and which places I enjoyed a lot. So here I am from the beginning till the end. So let's not waste the time and watch the video. Let's go. Okay, so our journey started from Dharamshala, that's my hometown. We took bus from there to Delhi, and from there we took flight to Goa, which was a connecting flight. It was a halt in Bangalore, and from Bangalore to Goa. So that day it was so tiring for us that we just went to a hotel and all we did was just freshen up and we just relaxed, nothing else. Okay, so the next day was North Goa tour. We booked the tour bus, which was AC bus, and we literally didn't regret it. It was so comfortable. And our first spot was Fort Aguada, which was so beautiful. On the one side of this fort there was Arabian Sea and the view was so mesmerizing. We enjoyed it a lot out there. We took photos, and after 1 hour of halt we moved to our next destination. That was Reis Magos, which was again a fort. So at Reis Magos, we actually didn't go to that fort, but we decided to stay near our bus and enjoy this view while having a coconut water, which was so refreshing. Okay, so the third destination, which was Snow Park, was actually the highlight of the day. We enjoyed like crazy, we danced so much and we played so many games out there. And you know, when you're with your cousins, this is something that you enjoy so much. Okay, so after so long, we actually went to the beach. That was Vegator Beach. It was so good to be there. But the only thing that I didn't like was it was so crowded for me. I don't know. And what I was expecting, it was not the same. But still, we took so many videos and took so many photos, and we enjoyed it there. Okay, so the second beach, that was Anjana Beach, was so beautiful that I couldn't resist myself to take this video. I loved it so much there. We had so many pictures, had so many drinks, and we ended our first day. Okay, so the second day started with South Goa tour, and the first spot was Miramar, which was in Panji, and Panji is the capital of Goa, and it was so clean, so pretty, so beautiful. And when we found this Miramar beach, we were like so happy because, you know, our mindsets were actually meant for this beach only. We were only thinking about this fresh, clean and very, you know, refreshing vibe which we actually got here, and we enjoyed a lot there, so much. Actually, Panji was amazing. Okay, so the next destination was Old Goa Church, which was a Saint Francis Xavier's church, and it is also known as Basilica of Bom Jesus. This church has a beautiful history. It is so pretty. It has so much beautiful woodwork inside, and carvings are so good. It has a history of a Saint Francis Xavier whose body is still preserved there in a silver cascade, and his body is taken out in front of everyone in every 10 years, and this body is still the same without any chemicals. That is such a big miracle. And the view and all the churches nearby this church are really very pretty. These sets of churches are actually known as the churches and convents of Goa, and the name is given by the UNESCO World Heritage to the set of religious monuments in Goa. Okay, so after that we had been to two temples. That was one was Balaji temple and the other one was Mangesh temple. But due to the restrictions that we couldn't take the photographs inside, I was just able to share very small clips with you, and the temples were so peaceful. We enjoyed so much. Okay, so here comes the most amazing part. That was cruise, and we wanted to be on cruise since the beginning of this tour. And when the day and the time finally came, we were so excited. And as usual, the view was so beautiful. So many of Goan folk dances were there. They were dancing so well. The vibe was so good again. And this sunset view, oh my god! I just took it on my phone, and I wanted to share because when I saw it, I was like, OMG, this is what I should definitely take a picture or a video of. And so many people were there, everybody was enjoying, and the best part was the night view. So many casinos were there, and it was like, oh, the party vibe is there. So we enjoyed so much, and after that, we head back to our hotel. So the last day was completely free. It was up to us what we wanted to do. So we chose to go to Baga Beach. And guess what? Baga Beach vibe was also very good. We enjoyed that day also. And it was like there were so many foreigners in Baga Beach also. So we were having a vibe of, very cool vibe was there. And we did so many stupid things. As you can see, we danced like crazy. And then at night, we went to Kalangut Beach. We stayed in Kalangut, and the Kalangut Beach was really very near. So we thought to go there at night and see what is actually happening. It was good, but the crowd was very crowded, so we just avoided there, and we went back to our hotel and took some last few videos in our hotel room, and then went for sleep. And finally, the day was there when we were sad and feeling low because we enjoyed a lot, and we had to, head back to our places. But that's okay. We'll go and make another trip. For now, I'm staying in Mumbai and enjoying it here. That was it. It was not a clear and good vlog, but it was the vlog that I literally wanted to share with you all, because I think everybody should go to Goa at least once. I literally enjoyed a lot with my cousins, so much. And this is just the small part that I've shown you, because I made terrible and horrible videos apart from these. So that's it. I hope that you guys will enjoy and like this vlog, and let me know if you want more such vlogs. I will definitely love to share them, love to share my memories with you. So that's it for today's video, and don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe button, like and share, and see you guys next week. Bye bye. Annyeong.